So next we have the discussion post for week 5. This is where you're going to list your 2 secondary sources. So you're going to find 2 secondary sources. Again, it's a source that uses primary information somehow, but it analyzes it, right? It analyzes it, summarizes it. It does stuff to it. It doesn't just present it. So you're going to find 2 secondary sources that will help you explain how your narrative has changed or is changing. And for the discussion post, you're going to present the citation for each source. So here's my citations for the 2 sources, including the web address. You give a brief summary, a few sentences each for each of the sources. You explain how each of the sources is going to help you focus on specific aspects of the changing narrative. And then you explain how each of the sources reflects specific elements of the narrative paradigm. So it's exactly the same thing. All right, so for your primary source in writing L, you're going to find it or make it. You're going to summarize it, explain how it connects to the changing narrative and how it connects to some element of narrative. And you're doing that for the discussion post. So 2 secondary sources for the discussion post. 1 primary source for writing L. So far, so good. See, who knows?